There's a mouse in my apartment and I'm freaking out. It's like 5:30 in the morning and I woke up my husband and he's trying to kill it for me. Oh my god, I can hear it. It's in like in the wall or the radiator thing. That. There is a mouse trapped in the heater and I am scared to death. And Eric, poke it again. I hope the camera heard that because that is freaking me out.
Actually, I think it's right there.
Okay, it's in a little... Oh god. I see it. Well, I thought I saw it poking out. Do you want me to hit it again? Ooh. I think it's in the little hole there. I see its poop. I don't think it's coming out. Are you trapping it in that corner?
Well, there's a small opening right here it grows through.
Oh.
Get it in the trash can because I can't seem to move this anymore.
Gotcha. Do you want me to open the blinds?
Whoa.
It got past, didn't it? Sure. Should we just leave the barricades up until maintenance comes in the morning?
No.
It sounds like a dying bird. Hey, can you stick it? Oh. I was gonna say, can you stick it in the hole that's in the top of that thing? Right? Is it a hole in the floor?
If there was a hole in the floor, I'm sure you'd be out of here by now.
Oh. Where is he? Oh, he's in there still? Is he trying to get past?
Yeah.
Where is he? Did he go back in?
Actually,
Oh, there he is.
I think it's a mole.
Oh, gross. I wish the blinds opened the other way. Is it climbing on top? Did you say yeah? Oh, is that his head I just saw? Oh, his nose is poking out there. Always like stuck. I feel almost bad for him.
Well,
Ew.
it's not like he's trying to scare us or anything. He's
I know.
looking for a place to live.
Well, unless he's gonna start paying rent.
Got past.
Huh?
Said he got past.
Yeah, he did. Oh. We are so moving. I hope you can see this clearly on film because this is freaky. It's right behind the white thing.
Please move.
My husband doesn't like me filming this. Maybe we should just leave him until maintenance can come in the morning. He's poking his nose out. Hey, maybe we should put some food in the trash can. Should I throw some Cheerios in there? Maybe you can stab it with a stick. What?
You got it.
Stabbed?
Well, it's not skewered.
Pinned? What are you gonna do with it now? Oh, you got its tail?
No, I got its body.
Oh! Oh my god.
And then this happened.